Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another topic related to shell script, where we will understand how we can create a script that can fetch the number of maximum group a user can be a part of. Okay, so to explain this thing in a simpler way, what we will do, I'll create one script. We will just write 2-3 lines in a script file, and then we will try to understand like how we are using the getconf utility in order to fetch the information related to the groups. Okay, so we will figure out like how we can fetch the number of groups a user can be a part of, and then uh, after executing the script we will also understand like how we can make us um, what are the do's and don'ts for creating the script. Okay, because if you create a script and if you don't know like what type of case, whether the command is a script case sensitive or not, then it might give you errors while executing it. Okay, so we are going to cover that thing also. After discussing the entire script, we will try some input output by changing some values, and we'll try to understand the case sensitivity, and then later on I'll explain you the exact output. So here you can see I have just prepared some note for you so that you can refer, and through this you can easily find out like what exactly we are talking about. And at last we will execute the shell program, cl program, in order to run the shell script. So here what I'll do now, I'll write work lnk, enter. It will open work with object link screen. From this screen we will take option on 5 on directory, so I'm taking option 5 for directory, and there are various files and script. So this is the script file that we are going to use for this demo purpose, sharmit3.sh. Those who don't know, please make sure that your script file is in executable mode. Your script file should contain executable permission, because if it is not executable, then it will not allow you to run the script. For now my script file is in executable mode, and I'm assuming you are also in executable mode. But if you don't know how to make your shell script executable, then you can refer one of our previous session where we have already discussed how to make your shell script executable using chmod command. Okay, so let's start the discussion. Alright, so in this script file, we have firstly noted down one multi-line comment. So you can see here, this multi-line comment is just representing the presenter name and the session name. So the presenter name is Sharmit and the session name is getconf utility and shell script. Now what we will do, we will change the line and print the text using echo command. So echo fetching, and this is just for the introductory part. So fetching n groups underscore max value using getconf utility. Okay, so when this line is processed, it will print just the simple text on screen. Once the text is printed, then we will fetch the actual value. So the actual value will be get through getconf underscore n group underscore max. So this is I think something is wrong in n groups, it's s. Okay, yeah, and x max. Okay, so this line will provide you the value which is nothing but a number of maximum group a user can be part of. Okay, so script is ready. As I mentioned that it is a straightforward script with just 2 lines of code. So let's try to run this, pressing F3 for save and exit. And now we will write qsh to execute the script. Here we will write /home /sharmit /texsharmit /sharmit3.sh and enter. After pressing enter, you can see it is providing the value as 16. Now if you don't know what is the meaning of 16, what is the meaning of n group max, no problem, we are going to discuss it each and everything in detail when we discuss the theoretical part. For time being, I'm just showing you through I'm just want to show you few more things related to case sensitive. So let me change this value to small max. Will it work now? No, it will not. Let's see. Pressing F3 for save and exit, and here we will write qsh enter. Then we will write slash home slash Sharmit slash tech Sharmit slash Sharmit3 dot sh and enter. So you can see it is giving us an error. Configuration variable and group max is not valid on this system. Okay, so that means we are getting error here. Now this is our responsibility to make sure that we are using the case in exact way. Same goes with here also, getCNF also. Let's say if I just change the getCNF to GET in a capital, and now if I try to run the same script, it will not give us output because this is also a wrong. Although the error is changed, but there is error. I'll show you. So I just tried the same. Here it is showing error found searching for command getCNF, no such path or directory. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you that whenever we are using this variable and command, always put the same case as I'm showing you here, otherwise it will give you error. So I think practical part is complete. Now it's time to see what all output we have got and what is the meaning of it. So you can see getCNF, this is a standard command used to query system configuration variables. It retrieves the value of a system limit or option. Okay, so this is just a command which will provide the value of system configuration. Then ngroups underscore max. This is the specific system configuration variable being queried. It represents the maximum number of supplementary groups a user can be a member of. When you run getCNF and groups underscore max, the system returns the maximum number of a group a single user can belong to at any one time. This is important for understanding group membership limits for user on the system. For example, if the output is 16, it means a user can be a member of up to 16 different groups concurrently. Okay, in summary, the the command getCNF and groups underscore max queries the system for the maximum number of groups a user can be a part of, and the output will provide the specific number. Clear? So I think now theoretical part is clear to all of you, like why we are using ngroups. So it is nothing but ngroups underscore max is just a variable, system configuration variable that provides us the value, like what the number of groups a user can be a part of. Clear? So now it's time to run the CL program through in order to run the shell script. So I'm writing here work mbrpdm. Okay, something is wrong here. Okay, so this is the program that we are going to use. So here you can see we have just kept dcl take f4 variable name, type, storage and length. So what it will do, it will declare the variable. One more thing, if you don't know about the basics of CL, like how to create variable, what is chgvar, then you can refer the CL series from the beginning, because each and every session is in proper sequence, so it will give you the clear understanding. Okay, so after declaring variable, you can write chgvar, then press F4 variable name and part of script slash home Sharmit tag Sharmit3 dot sh, then strqsh take F4 and provide the variable name. So what it will do, it will provide you the output. It will execute the command and provide you the output. Then you can compile your program. In this case, I'm not going to compile it because I have already compiled and I'm facing some issues with storage, so that's why I'm directly calling it, because it is already compiled. Once I call it, you can see it is providing us the output as fetching ngroups underscore max value using getCNF utility, and the output is 16. That means a user, the current user, can be a part of maximum or up to 16 groups on the system. Okay, so this is the one of the very important information related to system configuration variable that we can fetch with the help of getCNF utility. Okay, so I hope this entire session is clear to all of you, where we discuss what is getCNF utility, how we can fetch the number of maximum group that a user can be a part of, and then we discuss some theoretical things that would help you in the interview part. So I recommend you to keep a note of this thing so that you can easily answer the questions in interview. So yeah, That's all for today. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.